Right, hey there you guys. It is me, RandomJosh, and welcome to the beginning of Summer in the City 2019. I don't really know how to begin all of this. Obviously you can tell I'm still at home. I've literally just been packing my bag. Like, I mean, this thing isn't small. Because I've actually got a hotel this year, which is going to be fun. So we'll be, you know, spending a lot more time there, you know, hanging out with all of my friends, which is going to be so much fun. Oh God, this bag is heavy and I've got to carry this all of tomorrow. And this is just my clothes. I've still got to put on like my makeup, my chargers, all of my other little bits and bobs that I'm going to be bringing, like toiletries. Yeah, it's kind of mental how much I pack, but it's all good. We've got like another bag that I can use, so yes. Oh my God, major dilemma. So I was traveling up here. I'm absolutely sweating because everywhere up here is just like step access. And I'm like, really? Like, I don't want to be taking steps with this massive suitcase. It's a beast. And so, because I'd set my TFL to go to the Excel Centre, told me to get off at Custom House. So I got off, went on to Google Maps to like try and work my bearings out on like how to get to the hotel. 21-minute walk. I was like, oh, should have stayed on the train. So I'm now waiting for the next train, and my good friend Leanne will be on that train, because I'm actually meeting up with her to get me checked into the hotel. My hair is such a mess, it's so tragic. And then I think we're actually gonna go shopping for a little bit, even though it is like really late in the day. Oh my God, look at I'm literally dripping with sweat, this is disgusting. How long until the train? 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes till the train. I'm just really excited to see Leanne, to be honest. I haven't seen her like since last year, so I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone and getting to properly hang out with them this year. But holy crap, I need to like work on my packing skills because lugging a freaking suitcase like this around London isn't fun. Even lugging it into work was a trek. Oh, also, as I just realised, you guys don't actually know. So the story behind the suitcase is all of my stuff would not fit inside of that bloody whole bag. So I actually had to move everything out of the bag this morning and put it all into the suitcase. My mother was literally like whinging at me and was like, just get the suitcase down. And I was like, I have to go to work. So it's been a crazy journey so far. Literally, I am dying, I'm sweating, I can't wait to get to the hotel room, sort my life out and get out. I probably am gonna have to like change my clothes or something, or at least take some layers off because I am roasting. Literally dying. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Yes, girl. Right, so I met up with the lovely Leanne.
Angles.
The angles.
Thanks for that, babe. And Ashley's in the background.
Ashley's in the background. Hey. So, yeah, we finally met up again.
For the third year running.
Third year running. Oh, literally, I can't believe it.
Yeah,
Like,
have you told them where we're going now?
Not yet. We are going to Westfield and we're going to the Morphe store.
I'm so excited. I cannot.
I've never been to a Morphe store. Like, what even? Yeah, I'm like,
yeah, we're going to spend all our money before Summer in the City.
So if we look starved this weekend, like,
yeah,
it's because we've spent all our money.
And
on
we made sure that
Morphe.
one of us is eaten, but then we spent it all on money.
The rest of it has just gone to makeup.
Yeah, and you know what's really weird? If I'm looking in the wrong place, it's rude.
Bloody airplanes.
It's not even taken off.
It's not even taking off. Or has it?
Alright, okay.
I'm leaving that in, just because of the banter.
Wow. If I'm looking in the wrong place, Josh is using his phone and I use a camera and it's really weird.
I mean, I normally do use a camera, but my
it's in the
camera's in
suitcase.
my bag and I have literally been like sprinting around going mental.
We need to go, otherwise we're not going to get there.
We need to go, we need to go. So,
it's 7:30, it shuts at 9. We need to go.
We're going now.
Bye! You want it?
With a hand mirror, yeah. These gorgeous, this is good. Oh my god, this whole area. I want these.
No.
I want them. So you guys, I'm officially in the hotel. We've just been shopping, as you've probably seen. Am I going the right way? I don't think I'm going the right way. Oh Jesus, I'm getting lost in this hotel already. But yeah, so we've just got pizza, and I'm just grabbing some bits from my room, and then I'm actually gonna head down to Leanne and Ashley's room, and then we're gonna just film some videos, have some pizza. I'm not too sure exactly what the plan is for the video, but it will be on my channel, so yeah, look out for that. I will give you, when we get there, a quick little room tour, because it's such a cute room, and I've got a double bed. Legendary. So yeah, we have this room, super cute, got like the hairdryer on the wall, lovely little cheeky mirror, hey! Oh, I love that artwork, but like all of my stuff is just everywhere at the moment. We actually, I don't even know where it opens. I have quite a cute little view. I can't see it at the moment, but there's like a nice green over there. So, yeah, I can't believe that I'm actually doing this. Oh, I'm so happy and I'm so excited for the rest of this weekend. It started off so well so far. But yeah, I need to grab my bits and then I'm gonna be heading over to the room, so I may do a little bit of vlogging while I'm there, but majority of it is gonna be on the video, which of course will be out soon for you guys. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
Not today, thank you. Hey girl. She's FaceTiming.
Oh. Hey. Yeah. Right, you guys, so I am back in the room now. It is pretty late, so I'm probably not gonna be staying on this for too long. I am absolutely shattered from today. We had such a fun day already, and I actually bought a couple of bits from Morphe while we were there. Yeah, so I'm back on my camera now because I'm actually in my room. I did buy some hairspray because I needed some because my little bottle was running out. But I got this palette. It's the 35B Color Burst. It looks phenomenal. The colors are intense. It's like full rainbow galore. It is stunning. I also got the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, which also sounds pretty awesome to try out. And I actually, because I got the eyeshadow palette, it also, you know, gave us discount on this eyelid primer from Morphe. So I thought, you know what, try that out. And we did also go into Too Faced, and they gave me these testers to try out their Born This Way foundation in the shade Almond. So I'm gonna give that a try at some point soon so that I can see if the foundation is actually gonna be properly worth it, because I want to make sure that I'm not like wasting my money on that. But yeah, so obviously I need to get some rest, prepare myself for tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be the first official main day of Summer in the City. So this has just been the pre, you know, SITC craziness. So it's like a little bit less hectic today. But I've been at work all day and I'm literally ready to sleep. But I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to enjoy this lovely big bed. Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, let me know by leaving a little thumbs up and subscribing, and join the Random family for more craziness. So obviously these videos will be up after Summer in the City has gone on, so the remaining videos for Summer in the City will be up shortly. So make sure that you're checking all of those out. I'm watching you, all of you. Anywho, thank you so much for watching, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.